In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the MyFitnessPal app on your iPhone. Whether you're looking to track your meals, monitor your exercise habits, or just want to keep an eye on your nutritional intake, MyFitnessPal offers a comprehensive tool to help you achieve your health and fitness goals right from the convenience of your phone. This process is quick and simple, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure your iPhone is on and ready to go. From your home screen, locate and tap on the App Store icon. The App Store is your gateway to accessing millions of apps, including the MyFitnessPal app. Once you open the App Store, you'll see a plethora of options at your fingertips, but today we're focused on one specific goal. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a search icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Once you open the search tab, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. In this search bar, type in MyFitnessPal. As you type, you might see some suggestions pop up, but keep typing until you see MyFitnessPal clearly listed among your options. Tap on it to proceed. Now that you've found MyFitnessPal in the search results, you'll see a detailed page with the app's icon, description, and reviews. Here's an important step. Take a moment to check that the app is indeed MyFitnessPal by verifying the logo and the app developer's name to avoid any accidental downloads of similar sounding apps. Next, right next to the app's icon, you'll see a button that says Get. Tap on this button to initiate the download. If prompted, confirm your choice by entering your Apple ID password or approving it with Face ID or Touch ID. This security step ensures that you're the one making the download decision. Once you've authenticated the download, the app will begin to install on your iPhone. You can watch the progress as the MyFitnessPal icon appears on one of your home screens, with a loading circle indicating the download status. Depending on your internet connection, this process might take a few moments. When the download completes, you'll see a button appear that says Open. You can tap on this right away to launch the MyFitnessPal app or find the icon on your home screen later when you're ready to begin using it. Either way, this step signifies that your download was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the MyFitnessPal app onto your iPhone. You're now just a few taps away from setting up your account and diving into the world of fitness and nutrition tracking. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking.